Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn about NOT function and we will learn this NOT function with different examples so that you can clearly understand how this NOT function works and how to use this in our real life. If you are new to our channel, I request you to subscribe our channel so that you can get regular notifications when I upload new video. So let's get started. NOT function is a logical function and its syntax is equal to NOT within first bracket. You have to put only one logic. You cannot put more than one logic. And when to use this? When you want to reverse any result, then you can use this logic. That means if we put an logic and it is returning a true value, then it will reverse it to false. And when the logic returns a false, then it will convert the false to true. So let's understand this with example. Here you can see this cell is 5 and this cell is 6. If we type here equal to this cell greater than this cell, then it is returning true. But if we put this logic within NOT, then this result will return this true value to false. If I type here equal to this cell equal to this cell, then we can understand this is a false. But if we put this logic within NOT, then it will return true. The same way, to test with text equal to this cell equal to this cell is returning false. And if I place this within NOT, then it's returning true. And we can also use this NOT with OR function and also with AND function. So here if I type AND this equal to Ram comma this equal to Sham, then it will here equal to true. So we have given AND formula, and if I put this AND logic within NOT, then instead of returning true, it will return false. And here equal to, if I put OR this cell equal to Ram comma this cell equal to Ram, then it will also return true. But if we put this OR within NOT, then it will return false. So let's understand this with real life example. Here in example 2, the question is check whether the people has given installment within given date or not. That means this is the installment date and the people has paid in this date. So we have to check if this date is less than or equal to this date. So if I want to get true value, then we have to reverse the logic. So equal to this cell greater than this cell. So we got false. And if I drag the formula, we can see here this is false, this is also false, and this is true. So to reverse this result, we use NOT bracket open, then bracket close, enter. Then it reverses the value. Previously it was false, now it's true. Now drag this formula, you can see false became true and true became false. And now we'll see another example. Check whether the people has given the installment within given date or not. If not, find them with 5% on installment amount. That means this is the installment amount. If the person has paid within the installment date, then it's okay. If it's paid after the installment date, then we will charge 5% on installment amount. So equal to, if this cell, sorry, first we'll put not, then G26 greater than this, then it will return true value. So here we'll give 0 comma this value, that is installment value, into 5%, bracket close, enter. So we got here 0. If I drag the formula, we can see this 2%, that is installment date is 2nd March, he paid in 1st March. So within the date, so no interest. And now here the paid date is 5th and installment is 5th. So this person is not charged the interest. But here the installment date is 10th March and he paid on 12th March. So he is charged with interest. Now we'll see another example. In the previous tutorial of OR, we have seen this example. But here we will do in different manner. That is, we'll calculate the commission for gold and silver. And if this gold and silver has crossed the sales of 50,000, then we'll give 4% commission. So in that OR formula, we used the value gold and silver, but here we'll not use gold and silver, we'll use bronze. See how it's work. So here equal to, if, then use not function, this cell equal to bronze, bracket close. That means if this cell is equal to bronze, that means if this cell is bronze, then actually this result will be true, but it will return as false. But when it is not bronze, it will return true. So if true, then comma total sales into 4%. Otherwise 0, bracket close, enter. You can see we got the same result with not function. But here we have seen that this value is getting, because we have not used the function, that is exit 50,000. So here we have to put another function, that is and here comma this cell greater than equal to 50,000, bracket close for and, then enter. Now drag the formula. You can see this result the same as the OR result we have seen on previous tutorial. So in this way you have to use the not function. So I hope you have understood this tutorial clearly. But if you have any query or any doubt regarding this tutorial, you can contact me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts. And on the next tutorial, we will learn about XOR function. And you can see we will show you with different examples. So thanks for watching the video till the end. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and see you soon in the next tutorial.